Part A, negative 48 plus negative 19. To evaluate this sum, I'm going to use one of the rules that we learned in class. And I'm going to focus on the bottom part of the rule right here, where it says negative A plus negative B equals the opposite of the sum of A and B. So I am going to rewrite this problem using this rule here. So I have negative 48 plus negative 19. That should be the same as the opposite of 48 plus 19. So you can see I just modeled our problem after this second part of the rule that I highlighted in yellow. Let's simplify 48 plus 19. 48 plus 19 is 67, and now I want the opposite of that. So my final answer is negative 67. Now, if you don't like using the rule, we could also visually look at this problem on the number line. So let's draw a number line, let's put in 0, and let's enter negative 48. So we're going to estimate that's where negative 48 would be. Now, if I'm going to add negative 19, it means I'm going to be moving 19 units to the left because I'm adding a negative number. So I'm going farther to the left on my number line. So I'm already at negative 48. I'm going to move 19 units farther towards the left, which is going to make me end up at negative 67. Let's look at part B. 543 minus negative 247. Now we have a subtraction problem. So we're going to use our rule for subtraction problems. So it says to change an integer subtraction problem to an integer addition problem, you first change the subtraction to addition, then you change the sign of the second number in the problem. So first, let's make sure we understand which one of these is a subtraction sign and which one is a negative sign. That's the subtraction sign, and this is the negative sign. So I'm doing 543 minus negative 247. Notice how I say minus for one of those symbols and then I say negative for the next symbol. So the first step says to change the subtraction to addition. So this becomes 543 plus. Then I'm going to change the sign of the second number. Well, the second number was negative 247, so it's just going to be positive 247. So really all I'm doing is adding 543 plus 247. And I get 790.